New Zealand's agricultural sector makes up half our greenhouse gases. Dairy alone is responsible for nearly a quarter of all the country's emissions. For most of the world, carbon dioxide is 3/4 of emissions, with methane and nitrous oxide making up the rest. But due to the scale of agriculture here, the figures are quite different, with half our emissions coming from methane and nitrous oxide instead. Dairy's methane comes directly from the cows, who burp it out. The nitrous oxide comes from nitrogen fertilizer and is mostly released off puddles of cow urine. While methane doesn't last as long in the atmosphere as CO2, it does around 80 times more damage in the time it's there. Nitrous oxide actually lasts much longer than CO2 and is around 300 times more powerful, which is why scientists have identified quickly reducing these two gases as pivotal to combating the climate crisis. Milk and Money. Watch now on RE News and TVNZ On Demand.